guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to PAMDAS and bot mass method. But this quiz is different one because it contains the factorial sign as well in the expression. So we have to solve this quiz and find out what is the correct answer of this expression. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, first recall the spot mass and PAMDAS method, like which we will apply on that expression. So as you can see on the screen, like if you are using the PAMDAS and bot mass method, so you have to follow these rules. What these rules are, basically these rules means like first you have to solve the bracket or parenthesis in your expression, and after that you have to find out the exponent. Any number has the power, so you have to solve that part first after the bracket, and after that you have to go left to right and apply the division and multiplication first. So you have to solve the multiplication or division first. Either you are using the bot mass or PAMDAS. So you can see first. So you can see first which operation is coming first. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Now, after that, similarly, you have addition and subtraction. So in addition and subtraction, you can solve. If addition is coming first, so you have to solve the addition first. And if subtraction is coming first, so you have to solve the subtraction first. Now, let's move to the expression. As you can see, our expression contains the 6 minus 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 plus 7 factorial. So, now we have to move forward and see like bot mass and PAMDAS. So, as bot mass and PAMDAS rules, we have to solve the bracket first. So, if you see, in our expression, we have the bracket part, or you can say the parenthesis is 2 plus 1. So this part we have to solve first. So we will write 6 minus 2 and multiply by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 and plus 7 double factorial. Not a single factorial, it is double factorial. Now we will write like reference here, like it is 2 plus 3. Now we will move forward and see which part we will solve next. So as you can move forward and see, the expression contains the factorial part. So it means that we have to solve that part first. Now we will solve this 7 double factorial. Now what is the 7 double factorial? Basically, as you can recall, our previous lecture, basically 7 double factorial means you have to step down that number, which is 7 is minus 2. You have to go like that. You will write 7 multiplied by, or you can say any all odd number which is coming less than 7. So here we have the 7, 5 multiplied by 3. So these are the odd numbers, or you can say multiply by 1. So these all are the odd number. 7 is odd number. So now multiply 7 with all odd numbers which will come less than 7. So here we have 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. So we will multiply 7 multiplied by 5 is 35, and multiplied by 35 multiplied by 3 is 105. So the answer of this is 105. Right? Now move forward to left to right. Left to right. Now, as you can see on bot mass and PAMDAS method, so you have to solve bracket and then order, and after that division and multiplication. If division is coming first, so you have to solve division part, and if multiplication is coming, so you have to solve the multiplication first. So now we have the multiplication here, 2 multiplied by 3. So we have to multiply these two numbers. So here we have 6 minus 2 multiplied by 3 is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So 6 plus 105. And here we will give the reference, which is equals to 6. Now, we will solve left to right again and check like there is any division or multiplication. No, we do not have any multiplication and division sign. Now, we will move forward and see like subtraction is coming first or addition. So here we have the subtraction first. So we will solve this part again. First, 6 minus 6 is 0 plus 105. And we will give the reference here. So here we have 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Now, in the end, we have the answer is 105. If you add 0 plus 105, so it means that 105. So this is the answer of this expression. So that's it for today. And if you see the answer list, so the answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression very easily and find out the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so you can learn and others can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.